Prepositions. We are living here since 2005 or for 2005. Confusion. Today's video is all about preposition. What is preposition? Where are prepositions used and how are they used? आज का हमारी वीडियो जो है दोस्तों वो है preposition के बेसिक्स के बारे में. I might continue it for 2 to 3 videos or might conclude it in 2 videos. ठीक है जी. So the what is preposition basically? So it is a word या सिर्फ एक वर्ड हो सकता है और it is a group of words or maybe it's a group of words which is used where before a noun, pronoun or noun. ठीक है जी. Or a phrase even a noun phrase. ठीक है. So what is a preposition? Preposition is basically word or group of word which is used before what? Noun, pronoun or a noun phrase. And what does it do? It shows direction, time, place, location so as to introduce an object. ठीक है जी. So let's repeat it once again. Preposition is a word or group of words used before noun, pronoun or noun phrase so as to show direction, time, place and location to introduce an object. Then there are few basic rules where prepositions can be used. ठीक है जी. So according to the where when you want to direct someone or you want to give directions, so then which prepositions will you use? You will use to, in, into, on, onto. For example, he drove to the store. Don't ring the bell, came into the house. Drive onto the grass and park the bicycle there. ठीक है जी. What are the direction preposition? They are to, in, into, on and onto. Then we have time to refer to time. What do we use? In, at and on. For example, she studies in the evening. He often goes for a walk at night and they do laundry on Fridays. अच्छा, अब टाइम में ही जो दूसरा टॉपिक मेन है हमारे पास वो क्या है? वो है टू रेफर टू एक्सटेंडेड टाइम. यूज़ प्रपोजिशंस सिंस. जो एक्सटेंडेड टाइम के जो प्रपोजिशंस यूज़ होते हैं दे आर सिंस, फॉर, बाय, ड्यूरिंग, फ्रॉम टू मतलब फ्रॉम से लेके टू तक, देन फ्रॉम, until, then with and within. So I have lived in Pakistan since 2005. ठीक है जी. Since I have lived in Pakistan since 2005. मैं आपको ये अभी समझाती भी हूँ. I have lived in Pakistan since 2005. He have lived in Islamabad for 3 weeks. ठीक है जी. अच्छा जी. She will finish her stitching by 6 p.m. They work part-time during the summer. I will collect data from January to December. ठीक है जी. January, from and to. They are in school from until February. मतलब from January to December तो मतलब ये है कि starting of January and ending of December. From February until October मतलब starting of February and end of October. And she will graduate within 2 years. Not more than 2 years. ठीक है जी. Not more than 2 years. So she will graduate within 2 years. ये जो since और for है, for example I am sick or I am ill since Monday. ठीक है जी. और जब आप कहेंगे कि मैं 2-3 दिन बीमार रहा, so will say I am sick for 3 days, 5 days, 6 days. या फिर एक स्पेसिफिक डे का आप बताते हैं, मंथ का बताते हैं, ईयर का बताते हैं, तो फिर क्या लिखते हैं? फिर लिखते हैं since. ठीक है जी. So that's it for today guys. We'll see you in the next preposition video tomorrow inshallah. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.